lust and hunger in my hands. Empty fields where pride now stands. Rehearse the words I try to say, but shame kept getting in the way. Every step felt like a mile. Heart in pieces, head hung low. Didn't know if I belonged. Still I started heading home. I was ready just to plead, to be less than I could be. Didn't know before I spoke, love was already on the road. So I run back home, arms open wide, to the Father waiting on the other side. I was lost, but now I'm found. Grace was running when I turned around. You don't count the wrongs I've done. You run to me, your broken son, wrapped in mercy, fully known. I run back home before my words could reach your ears. You were wiping all my fears before my knees could hit the ground. You were already running out. Robes and rings, a brand new name. You called me child, not ashamed. Yeah, 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 yeah. So I run back home, arms open wide, to the Father waiting on the other side. I was lost, but now I'm found. Grace was running when I turned around. You don't count the wrongs I've done. You run to me, your broken son, wrapped in mercy, fully known. I run back home. So I run back home, arms open wide, to the Father waiting on the other side. I was dead, but now alive, restored by mercy, love divine. You don't keep my past in view. You make my heart and life brand new. Forever held, forever known. I'm finally home. Finally home. Finally home. Finally home. Finally home.